What we gonna do? Christian brothers and sisters, let us come together. We gotta stop the fighting in Christianity. Islam religions, Muslim religion, the Buddhism religion, Christianity. All are one people. Let us stop the fighting among ourselves, cause we serve in the same Lord. The Christian call him God, the Muslim call him Allah. Why we gonna fight among ourselves? Oh Lord, come and take us from the confusion. Oh Lord, come and save us now. We are confused about the situation that's going on, cause of many power conscious people in this world trying to confuse us. They confuse in so many things, they don't even know what to do. But Lord, I have strength in you. Lord, I believe in you. Oh my God, Father, forgive us, for they don't know what they're doing. Oh yeah. In the book of Psalm 20, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Make me to lie down in green pasture. He lead me beside the still water. He restored my soul. He lead me in the path of righteousness for His name's sake. Yeah, I've gone through the valley, I shall know. Oh Lord, yeah, I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall not fear. For thou with me, the bow and the staff, they comfort me, Lord. Thou shalt prepare a table before me in my presence of my enemy. Thou anointed my head with oil, my Lord. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Oh Lord, Psalm 25 says, unto thee, O Lord, do I lift up my soul. Oh my God, I trust in thee. Let me not be ashamed.